am an independent upcoming artist using some apps to share my feelings in music form. I beg you to please subscribe, like, and share for more encouragement and motivation for me to continue.
In the kitchen where you cooked our dreams, no one else can match your gleams. Worked so hard to build this life, miss the love that heals all strife. Mom, you're my rhythm and my beat. Your love's the fire in the coldest street. Miss you more every single day. In my heart, you're here to stay. All those late nights, no end in sight. You made sure we turn out right. Your laughter echoes in my mind. All those late nights, no end in sight. You made sure we turn out right. Your laughter echoes in my mind. Only comfort I can find. Mom, you're my rhythm and my beat. Your love's the fire in the coldest street. Miss you more every single day. In my heart, you're here to stay. Miles apart, can't dull your shine. You're the brightest star, divine. I see you in the morning light. In my dreams, you hug me tight. You fought life's battles, wore no crown. You smiled and turned the world around. Every step I take, I want you near. In my soul, you persevere. Miles apart, can't dull your shine. You're the brightest star, divine. I see you in the morning light. In my dreams, you hug me tight. If our lives were no